A very good morning, dear students. Now we are into the social and political chapter. In that, we are going to learn about democracy and equality. So, the word democracy and the equality, what does it mean? That we are going to learn in the chapter. Here, there is a small story given to you. Kanta and Gopal are residences of the Harigaon region. Kavita is running fever again. I think it is malaria, said Kanta to her husband Gopal. Yes, our area is never cleaned properly. We voted for Sridhar in the elections because he promised to keep the area clean and supply round the clock water and electricity. But nothing has changed, said Gopal. He was utterly disappointed. Then he says that the authorities don't have enough trucks to collect the garbage regularly. I wonder how they come to collect the garbage of Model Town daily. That colony is just a road away from our area and it has all the facilities that we lack here, Kanta said angrily. It is just during elections that these authorities make all tall promises to us. I always fail to understand when we possess the same right to vote as the people in posh colonies. Why are we always treated differently from them? Said Gopal, sounding hopeless. So here given an incident which was occurred in a place called Harigaon. There were two friends, Kanta and Gopal, and Gopal's wife Kavita was not well. She was suffering from fever. So they thought that it's a malaria. So you people might heard about the know about the malaria. Malaria appears or the causes due to what? Due to the mosquitoes bite. So why this took place? Because the area which they were lived was not cleaned up properly regularly. So they were very sad and very angry at the authorities. Why? Because as they were the area which they were lived at the Harigaon was not cleaned regularly. So they voted a representative called Sridhar in the election, and this Sridhar, the authority who belongs to that particular region, he has promised to the people, to the public, that we will provide all the basic facilities and regular cleaning and the required water, drinking water, electricity, road sanitation, everything. But nothing was done by him. So this made the Gopal and the Kanta very angry. So they were disappointed. They were not happy with the work of the Sridhar. Then he says the authorities do not have trucks to collect the garbage or the waste which was disposed on the road. So they wondered that they come and collect the garbage in the model town daily. Why can't they come out to our colony to clean these garbages? Why can't we have the facilities like the model town? Said Kanta angrily towards the authorities. And only these people are going to give the promises during the elections and they not at all do the work. So when they possess the same right to vote as people in the posh colonies, we are all the common human beings. We are also voted to the authorities during the elections, like how the people are living in the posh colonies, that is urban centers or the cities. Likewise, we are also voted to them. Why can't they do the work as they do in the urban? So this made them to get angry at the authorities. So now you tell me, why were Kanta and Gopal angry with the authorities? What were the differences between the areas of Harigaon and Model Town? Do you think it was fair on the part of authorities to neglect the area of Harigaon? So these are the three questions which you need to answer in the live class. So dear students, as I said, the word democracy and equality is the name of this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to learn the meaning importance of equality and the meaning of equality, equality in Indian society and equality in other democracies. So now we saw an incident which occurred in the Harigaon place and how the Gopal and Kanta were unhappy with the work of the authorities, and they were discussing about the why the differentiation is being done in the model town and the our place Harigaon, and they were angry and that they were talking about the difference between the areas treated, and it was not fair that the authorities to neglect the area of one and the treating the other area with better facilities. So what would be the reason why they made unhappy? We'll see. You need to tell me the answer. Now, so most of the countries in the world today are democracies. So what does the word democracies means here? A democracy is nothing but the whatever the rules and the regulations will be done, or the policies or the schemes will be formulated or been created, it will be for the people and for the to the people and by the people. So they are going to discuss on the basis of the people's need and wants, then they are going to formulate and they are going to implement. In such a society or such a country, a democracy is based on the principle of equality. What does it tell? It's based on a democracy is based on principle of equality. So what does the word equality mean? Equality refers to the state of being equal in terms of what? On basis of the what? Status, rights and opportunities. So equality refers to the state of being equal in terms of status, rights and opportunities, and providing all the individual, all the citizens, all the to the public without considering their gender, class, religion, caste, work, anything on the geographical place of birth. Only the main concept of the equality is to provide equality in all the matter, in all the aspects. It may be status, rights, opportunities.